Hello guys, I hope you are all doing well. Today we're going to be looking at the S&P 500 and I'll be sharing my thought on the directional bias. So if you just look here previously, you can see that we have buy side liquidity being collected and then we have a reversal. So definitely you don't need to you don't even need to go to weekly or monthly. You can see clearly that the market structure is bearish from here. So what I wanted to see for me to actually start to look for buy setup, as price was pushing up here, as price was pushing up after collecting the sell side liquidity here, what I wanted to see was to see a break in market structure here. Okay, was to see a break in market structure here and then price pull back and then continue to go up, and then from there I will be looking for sell setup. So I wanted to see something like this taking place. I wanted to see price push up and then we have a break in market structure here, and then after that we see a retracement, and then when we see a retracement here, maybe retracing to this high or any institutional reference point that will be formed as price is going up, breaking this level here, and then from there I will be looking for buy opportunities to go up, maybe targeting this fair value gap here to be closed. But as you can see right now, it seems as if our price is going down. Okay, so for now I'll be watching close what price is actually doing. So if price decide to push up and break this level here, that's when I'll be looking for buy opportunities. But as for now, I'm still bearish on price. Okay, so this is gonna be the level that we are targeting. This is gonna be the sell side liquidity that I'm targeting to be taken out. Okay, so if price continue to go down, this is gonna be the sell side liquidity that I'm targeting to be taken out. But if price push up and then we have a break in market structure, then I can look for buy opportunities when price retraces into this level here. So that's it for the S&P 500. Shalom.